Welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we'll be looking at how close we're getting to a major breakthrough in XRP price. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Every prediction ever made on the price of any crypto, such as XRP, borders on the immediate effects of projects involving the crypto and, ultimately, the interest of investors that is attracted to the coin. Every time that XRP has fallen, it's usually either an influx or sellout of investors who drop it in favor of another cryptocurrency. XRP formed a bullish reversal pattern and was set to test the 30 cents level of resistance over the next few days. After the sharp rally of the past few days, XRP has entered a minor correction. The altcoin had today dipped from 33 cents to a lower Fibonacci retracement level at 31 cents, then 27 cents, above the 25 cents, which is acting as a strong support. The long tail on today's candlestick shows that traders are not waiting for a deeper correction to buy, as they anticipate higher levels in the future. If the bulls can push the price above 35 cents, the uptrend could resume with the next target objective at 42 cents and then 60 cents. Contrary to this assumption, if the bears sink the price below 25 cents, the selling may intensify and the XRP-USD pair could drop to the 50% retracement level at 20 cents, and then to the 20-day EMA at 15 cents. If the pair rebounds off the 20-day EMA, it will suggest the uptrend remains intact. But if this support cracks, the decline could extend to 11 cents. The deeper the correction, the longer it is likely to take for the uptrend to resume. Another credible source of technical analysis showed us that XRP rose above the 20-day EMA at around 29.7 cents on January 19th. But the bulls could not sustain the higher levels, indicating traders are offloading their positions on every minor attempt to rally. The price action of the past few days has formed a descending triangle pattern. If the bears sink the price below the 25-cent support, the XRP-USD pair could drop to the critical support at 16.9 cents. A break below this level could resume the downtrend with the next target objective at 10 cents. On the other hand, if the bulls defend the 25-cent support and push the price above the downtrend line, the pair may rise to 38.5 cents and stay range-bound between these two levels for a few more days. A new uptrend could begin on a breakout and close above 38.5 cents. XRP has pulled back from the stiff overhead resistance at 40 cents, which shows short-term traders may be booking profits. The shallow correction and the long tail on the day's candlestick show the bulls are attempting to flip the previous resistance at 30 cents into support. But it will have to surge past the resistance first. If they succeed, the bulls will make one more attempt to thrust the XRP-USD pair above the 40-cent resistance and resume the uptrend. If they manage to do that, the next stop could be the psychological resistance at 50 cents. The upsloping moving averages suggest the trend remains in favor of the bulls, but the negative divergence on the RSI indicates the momentum may be weakening. If the price sustains below 27 cents, a drop to the 20-day EMA at 20 cents is likely. A strong rebound off the support will indicate the uptrend remains intact, but a break below it will suggest the possibility of a deeper correction to 26 cents. The reason the bulls pushed Ripple XRP above the retracement level at 33 cents in January, but could not sustain the higher levels due to the bears' onslaught. The trend assumed a bullish appearance for a while before seemingly turning into a bearish market as we have now. If the bears can sustain the price below 28 cents, the XRP-USD pair could drop to 23 cents and then to 18 cents. This is an important support to watch out for because a break below it could signal the bears are fully back in the game. As XRP-USD has shown up before with the bear flag that confirmed bearishly to the downside and already reached the targets, XRP-USD has now somewhat recovered within the structure and is building an interesting formation on the local time frame perspective, which is interesting also because of trading aspects. Overall, it's formed a good formation out of the trading aspects, and this formation can either be traded aggressively with immediate entry or conservative with entry after confirmation. When XRP-USD reaches the lower targets, it has to elevate how it will move on from there, and if there comes a possible stabilization that cannot be passed away, or XRP-USD sets up to form further bearish movements, we should consider the head and shoulder formation coming up next time, and when this happens, the target's to be reached. We can see here how XRP-USD is about to form this massive descending triangle formation. In this descending triangle, XRP already completed waves A to C of the coherent wave count, and is now setting up to form the wave D, which will run directly into the upper boundary from where a pullback is likely, and also the origin of the final wave E to the downside, completing the wave count and moving on to test the decisive conformational bounce cluster marked in blue. Taking all these factors into consideration, XRP-USD is in a situation where it's about to complete this potential major bottom in the structure. Therefore, when XRP-USD manages to finalize the wave count within the schedule and bounce within the confirmational bounce cluster properly, this can lead to the breakout above the upper boundary and therefore completion of the triangle. After that, crucial confirmations need to take place to fully validate the inverse head and shoulders formation. Therefore, XRP-USD needs to sustainably move above the EMAs and hold above to strongly form the breakout above the neckline and activate upside targets. It's important that XRP-USD holds above these levels and does not pull back again. On January 10th, the price bounced off the strong resistance line and began to fall. The price was able to break through the zone and reach the support level. As we can see, the level did not miss the price. The price stayed near the line for some time and bounced off it. Now the price is near the zone. In most cases, the price kept the zone and pushed upward from it. Expect that the price will bounce off the zone again and begin its growth towards the resistance line. For us, this seems like profitable growth and a buy signal. Traders stand to gain a lot from this high potential if they can adopt a stop-loss method. Analysts have hoped that XRP will one way or another come out good on its word in this year, with some analysts suggesting that in 2021, XRP might touch the $2 mark, while others suggest a smooth period despite the lawsuit for Ripple, as there will be an addition to the partnerships and new technologies, which might surge its price to $8 or maybe even $10. Others believe that if XRP makes it to $2 towards the end of the first quarter in 2021, there is a huge chance that it can even make it beyond $10 by the third quarter in the same year. Predictions have put it at values between $1 to $5. It is expected to first hit the previous high of 55 cents recorded in November 2020. While some indicated a potential to fall in 2021, this has happened much earlier in December 20. One thing holds though, the signs are pointing upwards after the 2021 mark suggested its potential for a bullish run as the year progressed. Now, we've had a bullish run and a consolidation in 2021 at 31 cents. This seems incredible despite the unfortunate events that befell the coin. There are three major conditions for investors to look forward to for XRP. The first condition is that the SEC provides a clear direction on the lawsuit with Ripple. Secondly, projects involving XRP will facilitate its break through the bearish uncertainty trend triangle before it rises. Finally, XRP must consolidate at about 45 cents to create a new support at a high of about 82 cents. The role of investor trust and support in seeing this through cannot be underestimated. But you'd be wrong to assume that XRP no longer has a viable consumer base, still holding out on both the short-term and long-term potentials of the coin in the crypto industry. Many fancy its chances outside the United States crypto industry. It will bode well enough because a much larger percentage of XRP investors are from Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Yet we all await good news on account of Ripple XRP, as we know it could make millionaires of us someday. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. What do you think about XRP's price patterns? Let us know in the comments below. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. See you next time.
Hollywood perfect.